You are beautiful, and I'm going to just show you how to make the boys just be quaking when they see you.
Today we're going to be recreating a look from Patricia Bright. Maximum effect, put out your eyebrow. American Next Top Model. Shout out from Alam. Create, change ourselves. So we're going to be looking like Beyonce. All those of you who need attention from men, this is the hilarious makeup look you should create for yourself. I guess it worked for her. So let's try this look together. Hello lovers, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how you can look like Beyonce. Not Beyonce, Beyonce, according to Patricia Bright.
How to look like Beyonce. Not Beyonce, but Beyonce. That is even more shake than Beyonce.
Today we are doing the African Beyonce worst makeup look tag. This is a tag I watched from Patricia Bright. She did it about 9 years ago, and today we are recreating that look. We are recreating that Beyonce look. We are going to follow her step by step on how she transformed herself into Beyonce. I will see you right in the tutorial. So guys, the first thing first, you need your foundation.
Just select one that's a little bit darker than your skin.
She said darker, but she used a lighter foundation to look a little bit crispy. I'm going to be using this foundation. Just have to pump. You just have to apply it all over your face like cream. That was how she said it.
Rub it like cream. Rub it.
So it can stick properly and blend. It's important that the foundation matches your skin well. I'm just so curious how this is gonna turn out on me. So you can say that you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Follow the instruction so we can look like African Beyonce. Wow, well, this is really cool though. Like there's no brush. It's just blending. How easy is this? I have my foundation on now.
I'm not completed yet, okay? So if I put purple with the hazel, it just makes my eye look more shining. They will like it and I want to put a ring on it.
Look at this.
So the next thing you really need to do is to collect your blush, because you really need it just to show that cheekbones, just looking like geisha. Oh, beauty queen.
You should look like me. You can't look like me.
You now put lipstick, very dark lip liner depending on your lip color, and it doesn't even matter, black.
Thank God for development. I remember my mom used to have this kind of a lip liner on. Thank God for God.
Shout out to my Lagosians. Hey man, I even hear they do this look in Harlem.
Shout out from Harlem. Burgundy. We're going from Burgundy. Rihanna on top of Beyonce. Maximum effect, put out your eyebrow. Remove it for the maximum effect.
Really? When people are doing brown eyebrow, why are you doing brown? Looking good, man. Add eyelash. Let me just put a bit of highlighter and contour my cheekbone. Surpass you peoples and your square head. Okay, everybody, Beyonce has entered the building.
I think I can actually go out like this just to get people attention. Like people be wondering what's up with you? What's happening to you? Oh, my extra blush. I'm an extra lipstick, my lip liner. This isn't me. I'm still cute. My face is on flick. I look like I'm getting ready for Halloween, but it's really like super rich African auntie. Even with me applying the foundation on my face with my hands, I'm looking all Beyonce-ish. This lip liner though, like really? What's up? What's popping? I have never tried on black lip liner before. Like seriously, I don't know what's up with this. I kind of like looking weird. Hey guys, so this is the look, and to be honest, it's not really that bad. Let me know what you think about this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, guys, do subscribe to my channel. Hit the red button down below and subscribe to my channel. Follow this fun, amazing girl, and thank you so much, guys, for your support. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it.
Man, you wanna be like me? You wanna be on top? America's Next Top Model ANTM.
It's kind of a nice tag. You can also do it yourself, guys. Just try it out and see how it goes. Leave a comment and tell me what you think about this look. Do you like it on me? Do I look like a really typical Nigerian auntie that a blush must finish before she can go out of her house? But if I take a step back, like I'm not too close to you guys, I feel like it's great. But when I'm like this, like you can see all the mess up. Cute. It's kind of cute. It's kind of it's kind of cute. It's kind of cute.